my gosh. Hi guys, so we're now here in Cheesecake Factory and we're going to eat our lunch slash dinner slash merienda. So this is the bread, complimentary bread from Cheesecake. Then ito yung akin, Arnold Palmer for me and Ate Diane. And iced tea for Ate Sarah. And here's our order, shepherd's pie. And anong pasta to, te? Garlic something pasta. Farfalle chicken pasta. Ito, cinnamon swirl cheesecake for our dessert. Isa lang yung order namin kasi later we're planning to go for coffee. Pangtanggal, ano lang, umay.
This is my treat for myself. Pamigay mo yan kay Kuya Ryan. Sa PBH na lang yun. Pwede yung pagamit sa PBH.
Yum! I'm so happy daw. I'm so happy.
Yung mga tao, ano?
Kasi we're on a diet and today is our cheat day. Yes.
Gusto din ng cinnamon. Pwede.
My turn!
Mas malayo subunin. Ayan, mama, pabango yan.
Bukas diet ulit. Promise. Charot.
Pabango yan, man.
Bili, patingin mo. Nice, cutie. The bigger version.
That is puffer. Same price.
Ito yung mga tributes nila. Feeling ko small.
This is medium or small?
Patingin nga.
Medium.
Oh my god. I like it. Cute. Oh my gosh. Sobrang cute. Super liit ng toy. Toy Lulu.
Ito yung toy.
Yeah.
That one is small.
Small. That one, the small, I like. Sige na.
Bakit kasi mo damit mo?
Likey. Try mo ng crossbody. Pero I think hindi mo siya ika-crossbody.
Siya talaga kasi feeling ko madami akong lalagay dito.
Pag in-crossbody mo yan, ano?
Crossbody pangit.
Harap ka sa akin.
Pangit.
Pwede din. Pero better siya ng ano.
Shoulder back.
Ito sakto lang din. Ay, pang crossbody. Ay, pang shoulder lang. Yes, ate.
Naku.
You left your baby in the shop.
Yeah. It's not the time. Don't worry, you'll come home to me soon. Magkape muna tayo.
Yes, we're now here in Paul. And nakasurvive kami sa malubhang pagsubok. Malubhang temptasyon. So, ikakape na lang namin. Yay! So, this is what I ordered. Spanish iced latte. Cappuccino for Ate D. And, ano daw? Pavu? Dark chocolate cake.
For Kim.
Yes. Let's eat it. Let's eat. Okay, guys. So, now it's 10:30. Ayan, Diwana. Hindi kita. 10:30. And morning shift pa si Ate D bukas. So, we're going home. Bye! Bye, Ate D!
Bye! Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell.
Parang joke.